50 Cent has filed a lawsuit. A former employee claims she has text messages to support her serious allegations of threats and retaliation. I will also share 50 Cent's response. Curtis Jackson, better known as 50 Cent, is a rapper, producer, and businessman. He has achieved great success, is loved by millions, and has been in the industry for many years. However, in a recent lawsuit, Monique Mears portrays 50 Cent as a boss from hell. Threats, FBI investigations, and the potential involvement of 50 Cent allies in the 2006 death of Busta Rhymes' bodyguard are just a few of many accusations she makes. Mears claims she spent 12 years working for 50 Cent. During part of that time, she says she handled the responsibility of 3 executives without complaint. However, according to recent filed lawsuit, she alleges that her relationship with 50 Cent began to break down in 2019.
Time period of that statute, and despite the fact that there's text messages here, etc., that are being referred to as threats, without connecting them specifically to the defendant, I don't know how plaintiff gets past a motion to dismiss based on a statute of limitations argument, but TBD.
In the lawsuit, lawyer for Mears alleged that 50 ran his workplace in a way that reflected his public persona through fear, humiliation, loyalty tests, and punishment. They further claimed that money created power and power demands obedience. Anyone who refused was treated as a target. Mayer said that in 2019, 50 Cent began to requesting her to do things that were against the law. He first alleges that 50 wanted her to assist him in hiding money he had made by helping his bodyguard purchase a home for his mother in order to conceal bankruptcy fraud.
Accused him of mail fraud. She's accused him of any number of crimes. The problem, again, is apparently the FBI has investigated these allegations, and they haven't gone anywhere, and there haven't been any criminal charges. And now we're at an hour where criminal charges aren't going to be brought, and civil charges may be barred because of the statute of limitations.
Second, Mayer said that 50 Cent and his friend asked for to make up a police complaint alleging that the rapper's bodyguard had stolen his automobile, even though he actually thought the bodyguard has taken $600 from him. 50 always wanted someone else to stop him from engaging in his illicit activities. Miss Mears declined. She claims that as a result of all of this, she was fired in late March of 2019, offered severance but never got it, and endured years of harassment and threats from those connected to 50 Cent. According to the lawsuit, 50's intimidation campaign shifted to Miss Mears' phone after undermining her reputation. Miss Mears recorded over 83 instances of harassment involving at least 25 distinct phone numbers between January 2020 and March 2026. Mears' lawsuit alleges that one of 50 Cent's attorney questioned her during the deposition over the unsolved 2006 death of Israel Ramirez, the security guard for Busta Rhymes. She didn't work for 50 Cent at the time, according to Mears, and she got a threatening voicemail following the deposition. Miss Mears got 15 calls in around 3 hours on August 3, 2024, starting before dawn, including voicemails that said, "Bang bang, I shot you down." She got 15 more calls exactly a year later. Mears ultimately claims that she has experienced international emotional suffering and lost pay. 50's attorney claims they will defend this lawsuit to the very end, despite her request for damages. 50 Cent and his representative categorically and strongly denied the baseless allegation made in a recent civil complaint filed by Monique Mears, a former employee terminated for cause. The lawyers for 50 said in a statement, "This lawsuit is nothing more than an overt attempt to obtain an unwarranted payout under the pretense of a court case. In a court of law, we are eager to robustly refute these false allegations."